Toni Kroos.
Who is the black rebel?
Benzema! And he's used his head there to keep his side in possession. Looks the goalkeeper in the eye. Ronaldo.
This is you.
It's a free kick, and that's all it is. The referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. What an opportunity if he picks out the right man. Played well to this point. A dangerous one. We'll see. The referee had a good look at that, decided it's just a throw after the tackle. Cristiano Ronaldo! How did he save that?
He's one of the best in the business from those kind of situations. Absolutely brilliant.
In goes the corner. Well, I thought it was in, Alan. Off the line.
He didn't give up, that's the great thing. He did not give up on it and got back just in time.
Well, we could get some news on the injury. I think Jeff Shreves is on the case.
He landed
guided through. He's in. Navas makes the save here. An easy one. Ruled out here, it was offside.
Well, the lad took it well, but quite rightly the linesman flag goes up. We'll slow the gap down, take time with their injuries.
Look the goalkeeper in the eye. Kamaha.
Ma dai, beži,
From that keeper.
This is what you expect from Real Madrid. And he's in. Their chances now. Goal! Right. Side of the goal. The move has broken down. Real Madrid looking good with this attack. Good vision. Gareth Bale.
Hey, this shit is making me pressure.
That's a lovely ball from Benzema. Ronaldo. They do lead now by 2. They work very hard.
Such quick feet, knows how to use them.
In from Kroos. Sergio Ramos! Miscued really with the header.
Yeah, not known for his heading, and you can see why there with that effort.
What are you doing, Turkušu? You got a Turkušu.
Toni Kroos. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. The goalkeeper.
Give me the ball.
The celebrations reflect that. The supporters are going crazy.
Pa Ivan
I like the look of this attack.
Moguće.
He saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going. Read it. Bale. Keeper might be needed again. He didn't hang on to the ball. Corner for Real Madrid. And a goal! Beautifully delivered. Typical Messi style. Gareth Bale. On the attack here.
Chance, best African defender.
Trying to switch on the attacking power in this situation. Off the ball.
Come on! This is not fair. What is this?
To catch the other team, Iniesta. Lovely ball.
Marco Diaz!
By 2 now. They'll feel a little bit more comfortable. And good value. Bale. Lovely ball from Toni Kroos. Ronaldo. They can be quick on the break now. The shot's on. Comes out as the goal.
Unbelievable. This is really unbelievable.
Benzema. Modric.
Hey, if we lose this match.
Out of danger and out of play in the end.
Unbelievable.
Toni Kroos.
What is happening?
Corner for Real Madrid. More pressure. Everyone seems to be at one today. The players, the supporters, especially the supporters. Listen to this.
Well,
What is? Oh, hey,
pat on the
keep
back.
away that.
Got his shot off now.
Again to me. Bravo. Again.
No!
Offside.
See, of course, the assistants don't. Whether that will change down the years, I'm not sure.
Mr. Jock.
The replay here,
Yes,
he's
come
got
on.
it right.
He
Go,
has
go, go.
scored a chance, but